Hi guys, good morning. As you can see my background, I'm not in my space. I traveled to Nairobi. I'm currently in my sister's place or house. Today is my son's graduation. He's graduating. My son and my nephew's graduation. Yeah, they are graduating today. So I traveled yesterday. So I decided to introduce this video here in the house before we leave. We are ready. As you can see, I'm ready, and my sister and her daughter, they are ready. So we want to leave, and then I think we'll meet you when we reach the school during graduation. So here is that's my sister, guys. She's ready. Yeah, so we are ready to leave, and her daughter is somewhere here. Okay, let's go.
Nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts.
It's there for you and me, and it's a beautiful day. Running in the sun, a beautiful day has just begun. A beautiful day to do what I want to do.
Look, nobody will help if you flying too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. They say you should never roll all the dice without a hand. It's make a break when you never did stand a chance. Don't mess up, don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can say.
Walikuwa wanasema liwaya, holi unanga mwisho liwaya, na sasa wanasema liwaya, holi unanga moja liwaya. Walikuwa wanasema liwaya, holi unanga moja liwaya, na sasa wanasema liwaya, holi unanga moja liwaya.
Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Nothing in the world could ever be good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own and you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you're flying too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned.
And here comes the graduates, guys. They were so small and they were looking so beautiful in this gown. And yeah, we really loved them. They were so happy. Most of them were so happy, apart from a few who were looking bored because they have stayed for the longest time, while others were still performing. Yet they are still young, they don't understand all those things. Yeah, but all in all, they were looking beautiful. And here is my graduate, as usual, was sad because he was feeling unwell. Yeah, guys. At this point, I was called to go pick my son's certificate, our certificate. Guys, we have graduated from kindergarten and we are now heading to grade 1. I'm a happy parent. I didn't know this feeling until my son graduated, you just feel there's a feeling. You feel now your baby has just grown, and he was just recently was a young baby. And this was much later when we had reached home. We decided to do a mini party for them. Yeah, so they shared the cake with the cousin. Yeah, so guys, so that was it, and this was the following day. I was heading back to Nakuru, and I decided to pick some few shopping that I wanted in the house.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words, but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me, cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing.
So guys, I'm back home and I want to show you whatever I got. I went to the supermarket, I went to the market to pick a few things. Yeah, so let me start with the ones from the market because they are not that much, they're just few. So I got these 3 bell peppers at 20 bob. I got this garlic at 20 bob, this ginger at 10 bob, and then I got these tomatoes at 50 bob, and then I got this 1 kg of onion at 130. At least nowadays the onion price has gone down. Yeah guys, so it's kind of affordable. So those are the only things I got from the market guys. I didn't get a lot. Nowadays I don't cook that much, so I find to get my tomatoes going bad because I don't cook a lot. Yeah, so let me show you what I got from the supermarket guys. So there is a box here. I got my things from supermarket. So first of all, I got these 3 liters fresh fry. It was on offer at 7 something. I don't remember the exact price, and it seems like I was not given the pepper. Yeah, it was at 7 something on offer in Naivas, so I picked 3 liters. 3 liters do serve me for the longest time. Then Naivas 2 kg sugar. Yeah, so this will serve me for the longest time. I picked this Coxy tissue, white tissue, 4 rolls. This is enough. I don't stay mostly in the house, so when I'm at work, they provide us with one. I picked this Cara coconut. I picked them last time. I used them and I really love them. They're so thick and they're so tasty. So I picked 2 of them. I'll be making some, maybe omena or beans. I picked 2 cubes, chicken flavor and beef flavor. I usually love the 2 flavors. These are my favorite. I picked Prestige 1 kg. It was on offer. It's more affordable than Blue Band itself. I picked a jab for chapati all purpose. 2 kg. One is enough. And I picked Kavagara. I've never tasted this. I want to taste it and feel the taste. The reason why people really love it, I want to taste it and see. And feel the taste. So I picked 2 of them. That is 4 kg. Next thing I picked basil, lavender. This is my favorite washing powder. So I picked basil. I picked Zenka 1 kg. Meninga has become so expensive. So I picked Zenka. I picked Soft Care baby wipe for my face. I picked Cortex pant liner for me. I usually use Nivea nowadays since I moved from Dove, and these are my 2 favorite brands: Cherry Blossom jojoba oil and Radiant Beauty Advanced Care. So I picked 2. I usually use to alternate them. Yeah, I picked 2. And I picked Vaseline. This mostly for my heel and my lips. This is what I usually use. And then I want to try this nice and lovely. Flawless bio body oil. I have got some stretch marks, so I want to try it and see whether it works for me. And if you've been here, you know I'm currently working on my skin. Yeah, so last time I got a day cream, Nivea day cream. So today I picked Nivea night cream. Yeah guys, so those are the things I got for the use. And then lastly, I got this Mika sandwich maker. It was on offer in Naivas. So I said, because I don't have one and I wanted one, I said it was a good deal. So I decided to pick it, guys. It was on offer 2,395. Yeah, so that was the offer. So I picked this. So this is the warrant and everything. So this is it. They are kind of different. Where did I see the different one? When I reach home is when I realize they are kind of different, but there's no problem. They are this type. I don't know if you guys can see this. They're this and this, the black one and this one. So this water was on offer and this what I picked. And then this one which look like a round one. Yeah. So these are manual, but I don't think I need a manual for this. So this is it, guys. We finally got ourselves a sandwich maker, but I really love toast bread. So I'm planning to get a toaster. So this is it. Just a simple gadget, guys, but we are happy we got it. So yeah, I took the advantage of the offer and picked this one. So this is just it. Nothing much. It's just a simple gadget. I'm now planning to get a toaster. Yeah, so those are the things we got, guys. So let me show you a close look of everything that we got.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. We're not a thing. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it.
So this was much later in the evening. I wanted to make dinner, and on this day I was really craving for pilau. So that's what I was going to make, and I later serve it with some guacamole aside that I also made.
So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, cause it's not a thing. 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 We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words, but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me, cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, cause it's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing.
So my dinner is ready and I've already served it. It looks so delicious, guys, and it was really yummy. So if you watch this video until this point, thank you so much for your support. And if you are watching this video and you haven't liked the video, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and give a good comment or a nice comment for your girl. Until next time, let's meet in another video.